Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to request all your data from Discord using the Android mobile app. If you're curious about the data Discord stores or simply want a copy for your records, this video will walk you through the full process clearly and simply. First, open the Discord app on your Android mobile device. Next, tap the settings icon located at the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down the menu until you find the Data and Privacy section and tap on it. Inside this section, look for the option labeled Request all of my data and tap it. On the next screen, you'll see a confirmation option. Tap on Request my data to continue. Discord will show you a confirmation message. This request may take up to 30 days to complete. Your data will be sent to your registered email address. Finally, tap OK to finish the process. You can now wait for the email from Discord with your data file. That's it. You've successfully requested your data from Discord on Android. If this guide helped you, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and take care.